If you want 2 or more children, how to planning, how long to wait between pregnancy, part 2. Want baby number 2, but feeling like your body hasn't quite come back normal yet. In this video, we will break it down how to recover steadily after your first pregnancy have baby, so your body feels strong, balanced, and ready when you are. Early this year, Sky News reported that fertility rate in England and Wales have fallen to their lowest level since 1938. Behind those headlines are very real stories. Women who had one child and expected to conceive again easily, only to find their cycle slow to return, energy harder to rebuild, or stress get in the way. At GinSen Clinics, England, we sit right at the point where women's health and fertility meet. For over 25 years, our team has helped a woman through every stages of that journey, from first conception to recovery to preparation, confident for baby number 2. In part 1 of this series, we look at how to protect fertility before your first pregnancy. Today, we'll continue that story, focus on those who already have one child and how now planning get another. How to rebuild your body's strength, balance your hormones, and planning your next pregnancy with calm and confidence. So, whether you are just thinking about your second child or already try again, stay with me. We will talk through exactly how Chinese medicine approaches post-baby recovery and family planning step by step. Number 1, post-recovery and especially why rebuild before you conceive. If you have already had your first baby, you have now think about baby 2. Your baby already done some things extraordinarily. And before anything else, let's just acknowledge that pregnancy and birthing baby change your system deeply, and the second journey isn't start from zero. It is starting from somewhere new, a different foundation. So this phase is about 2 things: restoring what was used and releasing what maybe have become blocked since your first pregnancy. Many bodies need 9 to 12 months, sometimes longer, to rebuild iron, minerals, and what we call Jing and blood, qi and yang, your deep reproductive essence. This is especially true if you had a C-section, heavy bleeding, or long months of breastfeeding. Breastfeeding is beautiful to help baby strength grow up easily, but energetically drenched. It pulls from blood and yin, and in many women it naturally delays the ovulation. The delays isn't fair. It's your body protecting itself. Make sure resources are tapped up before another pregnancy. As cycles restart, fertility signs can be subtle. Cervical mucus return, gentle warmth around the middle cycle, or small shift in moody or off energy. So if your cycle is still feeling irregular, the message is you are not behind, you are realigned. In Chinese medicine, we say rebuild first, then conceive, because when your foundation is full, conception happens with ease, not effort. Postpartum recovery focus on renew the essence, blood, qi, yin, and jing. After pregnancy, those 4 are often depleted in different ways. Blood, yin deficiency, fatigue, dizziness, dry skin or hair, light period, poor sleeping, often seen after blood loss or long breastfeeding. We use nourished herbals such as angelica and goji berry, baizu, cooperate with acupuncture on spring 6 and liver 8 to nourish blood and yin, qi deficiency. This shows up as tiredness, weak digestion, poor focus, and shortness of breath. All approaches combines acupuncture to boost energy flow, tailored qi strengthening herbals like astragalus and cordyceps, dangsen, and gentle Tai Tai or Qigong movement in via TikTok, you can find many exercises, both of which are regularly shared on our channel. Stick with it to rebuild stamina gradually. Blood stasis, pelvic heaviness, dark clots, pain around the skull or lower abdomen, common after C-section or long labor. We use herbal formulas that move blood like 桃红鼠尾汤 alongside cupping therapy or mild stretch to help release the stagnation and support uterine healing. Cold in the uterus, cold hand and feet, paired bleeding or lower back pain, cramping eased by warmth, pear tongue. We often use moxibustion, a gentle heat therapy made from motherwort leaves, burned near acupuncture point to wake up young energy and smooth blood flow. Warmth compression and lifestyle guidance, maintaining this inner warmth day to day. This warmth called young energy. Those 4 postpartum patterns are key. When we identify which one is dominant, recovery becomes faster and next conception happens from strength, not strain. Number 2, postpartum weight gain and subfertility. Find stability first. Now let's talk about some things a lot of the women whisper about, but really here explained that weight, that line around the middle body. You may be eating well, moving, doing everything right, and yet the belly still feeling stubborn, burning or heavy. From a West point of view, this may be involved blood sugar fluctuation or mild thyroid shift. From a Chinese medicine view, it often reflects spring qi weakness with dampness, meaning your digestion and metabolism system are still recovering from pregnancy, sleeping loss, and stress. When spring qi is low, the body tends to hold on its storage fluid and waste instead of transforming them into energy, blood qi, yin and yang. That's why you may be feeling bloated, puffy, lower energy, and that same sluggish can make ovulation less or irregular. The goal is not a restriction, it's regulation. The means warm, protein-rich meals, consistently meal timing, gentle stretch work, and real consistent sleep. When glucose stay steady, hormones naturally follow. At GinSen, we match the movement to recovery. Our Qigong and gentle Taiji you can watch from TikTok channel. Sequence improve circulation, calm the nervous system, and strengthen without exhaustion. It is about blood flow, energy flow, not burnout. We also use our yin-yang diet planning, balance warming, nourished food that build blood and yang with cooling, cleaning food that calm heat and remove toxic in the body, support body yin. It's not a regret diet. It's about matching food to your pattern and your body generally needs. If you are feeling cold, tired, or sluggish, we lean toward warming soap and slow-cooked stew. If you are overheated, inflamed, or breaking out, we help you cool and clear gentle with light, hydrating food. When digestion, rest, and hormones move in harmony, metabolism and fertility fall back into place. Every woman's after-labor journey looks differently, but one truth stays the same. When your energy, blood flow, and inner warmth energy are restored, fertility follows naturally. Whether you're preparation for the baby number 2 or simply rebuild strength after childbirth, the key is recovery before rush. If you're based in London, you're welcome to visit our GinSen Clinics in Kensington and Chelsea for tailored after-labor support, from acupuncture, moxibustion to herbal formulas designed to restore balance. For those outside London or outside UK, you can use the link in the description for a free personalized email consultation. With you submit this information with our team, we will help you understand whether your body is in its recovery journey and how to move forward safely. Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss the part 3 after labor care, where we will dive dive deeper into how to restore strength, circulation, and emotion balance in the weeks right after giving birth. Because healing after labor isn't just about staying home and resting, it's about preparing your body for everything that comes to next: quick, fast, healthy balance.